The next stop along the way was at the dealer. Although the boat wasn't yet due for scheduled maintenance, we brought it in early to address some issues reported in the last update, namely, the power steering occasionally refusing to activate on startup. The dealer pulled the stored codes and did a preliminary investigation but asked us to bring the car back for a more thorough diagnostic when we had more time. We did, and while it was in the second time, we asked the dealer to investigate the infotainment screen's occasional refusal to boot up. The dealer identified the U156D error code as a likely culprit for the steering issue and replaced the shifter as per GM Bulletin 16NA183. The infotainment screen got a software update, which took care of that problem.